Luke, what's up, man? Why are the doors closed?
I don't know.
What the fuck? Where's Tor?
I don't know where Tor's at.
He has the keys again?
Yeah.
Of course. All right, I'll go find him, goddamn. You guys haven't seen Tor, have you? No. No? You guys seen Tor anywhere? About 20 minutes ago. All right. Anyone seen Tor? Have you seen Tor anywhere? Have you seen Tor? Hey, has anybody seen Tor? Has anybody seen Tor? Have you seen Tor?
Tor?
Yeah.
He's at the island.
What island? Why the hell is he there?
Fucking Ireland, man.
God damn it. What the fuck is he doing there? That's way too far from where he's supposed to be. You can't open. You can't open the show. Tor!
Come on in.
All the different mics and styles all meeting in one place, you know? That was pretty unique with the first time the One show hit. It was like, bring your bike, the One. Was it a chopper show? Is it a race? Like, what is it? Nah, it's a fucking bike show. Bring whatever you want.
And it kind of takes everyone out of their element and they all have to play together nice. And I think that's really cool.
It was kind of like a garage party. So over those last 10 years, I've just watched it grow. Better bikes, better builders, people from all over the world.
All four corners of this flat earth, they come to this show, and there's nothing like it in the whole fucking world.
When I was a kid, my father started telling me about this custom motorcycle show. Last year getting invited, I was just mind blown.
I've heard about this show for a long time, so to come up here and see this building converted into now being one of the baddest motorcycle shows, it's pretty exciting.
Car shows are cool, but a motorcycle show is a lot cooler.
I'm coming here to see what's cool. I'm gonna jump on that bandwagon, you know what I'm saying?
It's just eye candy everywhere. I couldn't miss the tent here.
Island. What do you go for fish and chips or something? What?
I mean, just think about what have you done for 10 years? I mean, I can think of something crazy that happened every single year, especially the first couple of years where we're really trying to figure it out. G&H Casey won the first ever One Show award, and it was a free helmet, which is kind of ironic because he won the award and then he knocked himself out after winning a helmet. So that was year one.
The fourth year with everybody, you know, hanging out, getting tattoos out in the parking lot, doing burnouts everywhere.
Yeah.
That's always a good time.
Right?
Yeah.
There was also a guy who had just finished a pristine restoration on a Kawasaki triple and decided to do wheelies in front of the show and ended up sending it down the road about 40 miles an hour, just sliding on his ass. He said he was lucky because it only scraped one side, but it didn't look very lucky to me.
The snow show was probably the most interesting one.
Just non-stop debauchery, rallying through the empty streets, sled riding, and rowdy.
2017, we had the VIP room in the communal shower. There we were, drunk off our asses, shucking oysters in a shower that a lot of dudes, you know.
And the racing, when they were inside, we threw all the cans at everybody.
Oh yeah, electric mini bike racing is a great time. Yeah.
People that are going on the track, people were throwing beer cans and they took one in the face, wiped out, the bike slid out, they went up a ramp. I mean, it was complete mayhem. So if you could recreate that, get a good dentist on hand.
I'm fucking hungry. Is there berries in here or something? Oh. What do we have here? Wow, this is still cold. Man, I'm feeling funny. Really funny. Wait, what? What am I doing? What the hell is in this? Keys. The goddamn island. Tor. I gotta find fucking Tor.
Ready? Go! Go! Woo! You won, Bugsy! It's gonna be chaos.
Let's fuck!
Have I changed in the last 10 years? I sound a lot more American than I used to. I was a professional enduro racer. Now I have 20s Harley Davidsons, so that's a pretty big change.
He's exclusively Orange County chopper guy, in bikes, like something more about 12 to 14 feet long. Good handling, no front brake, you know, something safe.
I've figured out how to build things better. My prototypes don't suck as much.
I was just a freestyle rider and running the contest circuit. 10 years later, I'm building bikes and still riding motorcycles. And I pray to God that 10 years from now, I'll be doing the exact same thing I'm doing today.
They aren't just random people from the crowd.
So much time, so much more to go. Whoa, what do we have here? This will get me to the island. I don't know what the hell he's doing over there. Man, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna fucking find those keys.
I'm Jimmy Hill, and I am here at the One Show, getting ready to race some flat track, buddy.
We're at Salem, Oregon doing some flat track.
What event are you in?
The Pro.
It's the fastest indoor clay track there is. A ton of X-Pro 450 singles guys and twins riders are all coming over.
There's so many characters. It reminds me of flat track like in the 80s when my dad used to race. It's a fun racing environment to be out riding and kicking ass.
Who's the one guy you really want to stop? Andy DeBrino.
The one guy I really want to step today is Andy DeBrino, the #1 plate.
When you have #1, you're always going to have a target on your back.
What are you hoping to accomplish today?
Hopefully, make the main and run up front with the fast guys.
I would love to take out AJ Kirkpatrick and put it right to the wall. For fun.
Have fun and not eat it. And if nobody passes me, I'm doing great.
I thought I'd be a little bit more competitive, but I didn't get last in my heat, so that's pretty good. Whoever's in the full start race with me, I already warned him I'm going to be kicking and throwing elbows. I'm not fucking losing again.
This is the One Motorcycle Show. We have some news for you. Yeah. You're on speakerphone right now. Guess what? You just won a brand new Indian motorcycle.
Dude! Dude! Yes, it's me, man!
George, you look pretty good.
I've been looking for the keys since 2019. The keys, motherfucker! The keys, goddammit! To open the show.
Yeah, it's like 40 years ago.
I know, but man, it's been 40 years, huh?
The show was great. You missed it. Where were you at the show? That's what I want to know. What are you doing with the mic on your boat?
This is my hog, man. I stole all of it. God damn it. I brought beers.
Perfect.
Hey, good to see you. Good to see you.
You too. What are you doing all these for? You look great.
You too. I found this fantastic beer, man. It took 30 years off my life, I swear.
I've been living around here. I'm planning on building a motocross track there and building like trees over here, a garden right here. You know, I was going to build like a jump so I could jump into the house. A swing, probably here.
Oh, swings. I like swings.